Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Wow, what an amazing table idea. I love the hot pink panther. So if you guys are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone trying to make a table. Oh, wow. That is such a cool design. I love the mirrors on top of it. Fits right over the ottoman. Oh, such an amazing idea. I love this idea. I think maybe too, if they would have just painted that wood part, it would have accented it a little bit more, but I think overall just really cool idea. So we have a cloud mirror here. So they have this really pretty gold mirror. And you guys know I love gold. So they're using the foaming spray. Now I've never used this product before, but I'm telling you there's probably a trick to using this. It's definitely not something you'll get like right away. So instead of using the word foam now, people are using the word cloud. That's something that I've kind of noticed on TikTok these past couple of days. Just FYI, putting it out there. Oh, nice little romantic DIY. I love it. That would make for like great Valentine's decor. Very cool. Oh, we got the Mod Podge out. Are those rocks? Like pink rocks? Oh, they're spray painting. Oh, wow. That was absolutely so cool. They just used pink stones and then just spray painted them gold to make a decorative bowl. I love it. Oh, she made a planter. This could also be a great way to make a lampshade. Those same little wooden pieces, that would be really pretty. You could spray paint it to a different color. Oh, they made their own little outdoor bench. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I think this person is making some type of coasters. So they have different designs and shapes that they're using. Oh, they're all so pretty. I wonder if they sell them. They probably do. Those are gorgeous. Mineral coffee table. So this is a huge trend right now. The coffee tables with the stone elements. So she decided to make her own. I think she did a pretty good job. I mean, she saved about $2,000, so... So we got someone making their own bed frame. There's the foam going over the wood. Bed frames are another high ticket item, so if you can figure out how to make your own, you're definitely gonna save a lot of money. She did kind of like a really thin, okay, so that's the supporting base. Oh, that's cute. How come she didn't do, maybe she plans on doing a headboard later, but that's a really cool idea. Okay, so it looks like she's gonna turn this into like a cement table of some sort. She used pool noodles. Look at that. Wow, this looks like a lot of work. She's doing kind of like a paper mache technique almost. But again, this is another project that would probably cost thousands of dollars if you went and actually bought the item out itself versus making it. You're gonna save so much money. So she scraped off the old paint. I actually like the old design that was on there. But she wants the cement look, so. I know this had to take a long time to do, but she did an amazing job. Absolutely stunning. Looks like she spent thousands of dollars on this table for sure. Alright you guys, if you want to see more DIY project ideas, be sure to check out this video next.